Guys, today I want to unbox Narzug and Fimbul, Hunter or Captains. And here they are the models. This is Fimbul with his work. And then here is the upper part. His head, which is nice detailed. And then the back of the cloak, which I really like this cloak. And him on foot. It's a bit shorter and bald than these other guys. Remember in the movie, he just pushes one of these guys when Azog is calling him. Then I don't know what is with this guy. I'm looking at his blade that looks like a bow. So the upper part looks like a blade, the down part looks like a bow. Don't know if it's a miscast or something. Have to check the side. But I don't really like it. The sculpt is not bad, but what is going on with that weapon? Have to check on the side. Looks like he's grabbing for one arrow, but yeah, very weird. So let me build them. So I managed to assemble my Fimbul and Narzug. This is the Narzug model, which I didn't knew what is going on with his blade, but yeah, it's like this on the Games Workshop side. So it's half of blade, half of bow for his miniature. Miniature looks pretty awesome. He assembled one in the movie. This is the guy that Toriel and Legolas caught, and then the king of Mirkwood Trandil severed his head after he learned that they are planning to attack. The orcs are planning to invade. Pretty awesome model. Very well detailed, very well made, very well pushed to fit, and it looks awesome. Nothing to complain of this model, very nice. The Fimbul, the hunter or captain, which will follow Azog hunters to rule them. When Azog kills the other captain, forgot his name. This guy has a pretty awesome cloak, which I'll be painting black. And even the black that I have, it's a bit glossy black, which will look awesome on this coat. And this fur that is down, I'll paint it white. Extraordinary looking cape. And the miniature itself, I don't like that it's a bit like staying in front, like leaning forward. Doesn't want to focus at all on this guy. Let me see. Like this. Huge scar on his legs. Or it's just the mold didn't went well there. I have no idea. Awesome details, awesome. Went easy to put together. Just one hand for this guy, the weapon hand. So yeah, pretty easy. The warg variant of him, is it this one? The warg is just a beast. And yeah, you can see some gaps there. I couldn't manage to put his body close to the arm and then close to the second part of his body, only like this, because if I put it too close to the arm, it will move from the body joint. So it's better like this. I will feel that arm better than to feel the rest of this body. It looks pretty awesome. Just that how will you stay on the base? It's just like small contacts there. It's very weird. But awesome model. Again, the cape, fantastic. This cape is fantastic. Awesome looking cape. So yeah, this is my Fimbul and Narzug assembly. They are ready to lead my hunter orcs. And then pretty awesome model to paint also. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and then see you on my next video. Bye bye.